Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for always watching my videos. Um, I'll be showing you the concluding part of my table projects today. Please do not mind my video frame, or the quality of the video. Probably if I'm not showing something correctly. I was using my mobile and I wasn't using it correctly. I apologize for that, but I promise to always do better next time, of course. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I promise to always make your time worth it. And I'm not always doing this for the sake of it. I have so many skills and talents that I can show, and I've been so keeping all those things to myself. And but I think it's almost that time now to start letting other people learn from me, and learn from you guys as well. So please, if there is anything you feel like you can call my attention to, please do me the favor of saying all of these things in the comment section, and I promise to consider them and let you know that I've been working on all of those things. Thank you very much for your time. And once again, please do not forget to share this video, like, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.